So now we'll go for a test drive in the 86 Silverado for Bring a Trailer. That's an original crack-free GM dash that this truck was born with. That's just a testament to how well this truck has always been cared for. All right, here we go. And just for a little quick rundown, we've got the lights here. As you can see, they all light up and glow just as they should. Here's the air conditioner. We've already covered that, but we can do that again. And we're already running on low here. And then the factory radio. All right, let's go for a drive. We'll go first with the air conditioner off. There we go. It's a beautiful Prentiss County sunset here in North Mississippi. Very quiet, wind noise is very minimal. That was a rock that these new tires slung. All right, we'll get the air conditioner going now because it is hot in Mississippi today. High beams work, just as low beams. Actually, all the lights are new, so absolutely nothing to worry about there. I'll just turn around here. As you can see, the blinkers work just as they should. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of how this truck actually performs on the road. And if you have any questions, feel free to post below in the comments. Thank you.